In today's video, I'll show you how to install Natural Vision Enhanced in GTA 5 Enhanced. Check my video description for this download link. Once download done, right click on the script hook V and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open bin and drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back, open the Natural Vision Enhanced main package. Select all these files, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination and check mark this and select continue. If you get this message, you need permission to access this. Right click on the taskbar and select task manager and search GTA. It might be running, so right click and select end task. Once you're done, select try again. Now successfully replaced. Close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key to open up this menu and just drag it to go to NVE. Check mark this override time. You can change the time and make sure you check this preset weather. You can change the weather. You can change the time over here. Lots of other options available. And we have successfully installed the Natural Vision Enhanced for GTA 5 Enhanced. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.